friends, I am Bharat Mishra and I am the student of Hotel Management in DPMI College. Today we are preparing South Indian cuisine. In South Indian cuisine, we are going to make chicken chettinad. For preparing chicken chettinad, the ingredients are
bay leaf 2 number, black cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick, curry leaves, red chili powder 1 tsp, cumin powder 1 tbsp, coriander powder 1 tbsp, 1 tsp, crushed black peppercorns 1 tbsp, oil 2 tbsp, chicken 1 kg, onion chopped 1 cup, green chilies chopped half tbsp, tomatoes chopped 1 cup, ginger garlic paste 1 tbsp, salt to taste. First, take a deep pan and put some oil to heat. Once the oil is heated, add the mustard seeds first and then rest of the whole spices. Then add the chopped onions, ginger garlic paste and keep stirring till the onion get golden in color. Now add the green chilies and curry leaves and stir well. After that, add the tomatoes, stir for few seconds, then add the turmeric powder, cumin powder, chili powder and coriander powder. Stir well the above spices and cover it with a lid and cook till the spices leave oil. Once the spices get cooked well, they will start leaving oil. At that time, add the chicken and mix well. Now cover it again and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, but keep checking in between. After few minutes, take off the lid and add the crushed peppercorns and mix well and cover it again. After 20 minutes, chicken will get cooked well and can be served with lemon rice or Malabari paratha. Our address are B20 New Ashok Nagar near New Ashok Nagar Metro Station, New Delhi. Our phone number is 9540 777 001. Our email number is info@dpmiindia.com. Thank you.
DPMI सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार।